Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your faucet every 5 minutes. This is belongs depends to your Bitcoin price, okay? And you know right now is the Bitcoin price is very high. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I have a Faucet Pay account. You can see this is a new cryptocurrency available in here, USDT, and I have this much USDT right now, and I withdraw my other funds to my Coinbase, and I share with you one Faucet website. You can earn your free Bitcoin from that website, okay? And the next video I share the Faucet website of the USDT. Okay, if you earn much more USDT, you can earn much more dollar. Okay, and let's get started. At the first, go to deposit and copy your Bitcoin wallet address from here. Come to this website. This website link is available in description. Just copy and paste in here. Just come here, solve this letter capture. This is very easy, just solving the capture and you can earn. This one is the tell me the track. Just select all of the tracks, okay, like this, and just click check and just click claim. This is a 10816 and just okay. Just go to your ad block, this one, okay, allow ads, and then reload again, and you can easily claim it. Okay, if your ad block is on, you can't claim your faucet. Okay, that was the best part. Okay, just click ad block and then you can claim again. Okay, and this is a very best part I share. And okay, now is this is another track. Okay, and this is track. Okay, check and claim. Solve this letter capture. Okay, and that's it. Just wait 3 seconds. After 3 seconds you can click get reward, and this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account. Okay, this website link available in description. You can earn your free crypto from this website. Okay, and I go to my user dashboard, and this website available link in description. You can see I earned this 2 BTC from this website. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Bye bye for now.